5 crystals you'll definitely want if you're a beginner. Clear quartz, master healer, enhances energy flow and brings body into balance. Amplifies the energy from other stones. Black tourmaline, protection, grounding, and calming. A powerful crystal for protection and elimination of negative energy and emotions. Rose quartz, stone of love, increases self-worth and self-esteem. Restores confidence and balances the emotions. Amethyst, intuition, stress relief, and positive energy. Encourages inner strength and emotional stability. Citrine, a gemstone of light, happiness, prosperity, wealth, and abundance. Powerful stone for manifestation to achieve your goals and intentions.